Hello everyone. We are Challenge 7 Bio team and presenting solution to developing professional network for matchmaking. Globalization has changed the way people live, travel, work and communicate. In this gig economy world, contingent and agile talent workers such as entrepreneur and business school alumni are depends on doing business on network asset. Bio is next generation productivity tool which helps these people in real life to get connected in more efficient, safe and economical way. They use big data tools to analyze profiles of professionals to suggest best matches. But the main challenge faced by Vio is match professionals with potentially interesting network in creating personal experience and help building communities of like-minded people. So in this Women in Data AI Datathon, we are building a recommender system to match the job profiles of professionals to facilitate discussion of business opportunities in more convenient and engaging way. And another challenge is data set.
We have picked the LinkedIn dataset from Kaggle, which consists of job profile of more than 1,000 users. Let's look at the solution phase to the problem. Based on the problem, we have come up with a solution where we use content-based filtering and clustering method to provide recommendation of matches to a user based on location, where we match profiles based on their current traveling location, interests, we match only to those who have similar professional interests. School, we match the user based on school where the user last graduated from. Experience, we match users based on their professional experience.
Moving on to the implementation section. For the seamless flow of the recommendation system, we have designed a system that filters content in 4 stages, where each stage corresponds to our selected set of features. The first stage is based on location, so the filtering is done on the user's current location on the current date. A user has only one location for a given point in time. The second stage filters based on interests. Since interest is taken as a free text, a semantic model needs to be built so as to map similar interests such as talent engagement and talent acquisition. We have used fast text library to create word embeddings in a 60-dimensional vector space. This model is constructed once in our implementation and can be periodically evaluated. To reverse map the users to the skills, we have created a dictionary of skills to user mapping independent of all other files. This also is created once and can be periodically refreshed. The third stage consists of a content-based filtering system which uses cousin similarity and bag of words on the school and the role of the users to get to the top 10 similar users to the current user. The limitations of the model include the trade-off to choosing the performance cluster value of 3 versus the expensive cluster value of 7 in the semantic model.
Let's move on to the demo part of the application. We have used the Flask framework and integrated it with our Python code. We start off with the development server for the project. On the main page, we see 2 input fields, user ID and location. If the location is not provided, we will take the location of the user from the dataset as his current location. When I click on match button, we get matches based on the models built. Coming to the code, the first filter is based on location, which gives us 99 rows. The second filter is based on skills, which gives us a set of 17 filtered users out of the 99 filtered from the previous step. And finally, the last filter on role and school gives us the top 10 recommended matches. Now, assuming a use case where he's traveling today, I type a user ID and location as San Diego, US. When I click on match button, it sends the user ID and location and gets the matches. We can now see that this newer list of recommendations have changed. Now going back to the code, we see that the first filter gave us a 99 set of users and the second gave us 12 out of the 99 which were already filtered. And finally, the last filter on role and school gives us the top 10 recommended matches. This concludes the demo part of our application. We, Challenge 7 YO team, thank you for your time.